Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, hello everyone. Okay, first of all, we would like to say thank you to our English lecturer, Dr. Raden Aulia Utami, for giving us the opportunity to present today. We also want to thank all of our friends who are here with us. We really appreciated your time and attention. So, we are Group T, and today we will be present about critical appraisal of research article. The title is STEM in Action Real World Application of Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. So this article is discusses how about STEM is applied in real world situation, especially in education and society. Okay, before we begin, here our group members. So let us introduce ourselves. For first, my name is Sabrina Aplasa Pariji. I am from Science Education, and my friend
My name is Veronica Ayu. I'm from Science Education.
and my other friends.
My name is Happy Putliwati. I'm from Science Education.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next. So this is the art for STEM in action real world application of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So it was written by Nur Choice Siregar and co-author and published in Prima Jurnal Pendidikan Matematika volume 8 number 2 in May 2024. Okay, next. So this is once again for the title. Name is STEM in Action Real World Application of Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. For the translate is STEM dalam aksi aplikasi sains, teknologi, teknik, dan matematika di dunia nyata. Okay, let's start from the abstract. Okay, so as you can see, this article is about how STEM or science, technology, engineering, and mathematics is applied in real world. It's explained the benefit of STEM projects like helping students to develop critical thinking, problem solving, and analytical skill for essential success in the 21st century. The study also shows how STEM can be implemented in education and work setting and how it impacts fields like healthcare, environment, and technology. So in short, STEM in action help connect theory with real life for making learning more meaningful and preparing students for future careers. And this research is a literature review involving 70 journals published in 2019 to 2023. So the result of this study found that first, STEM can help the student to develop critical thinking skill, problem solving skill, and creativity. The second one is provide students with opportunities to work in authentic problem, promoting collaboration and teamwork, and provide professional development for educators. And the third is healthcare, energy, and environment. For the last one is data science and artificial intelligence or AI to the growing demand for STEM professionals and need for greater diversity and inclusivity in STEM field. So STEM in action is real-world application of STEM is a concept that seeks to bridge the gap between theory and practice in STEM education. Okay, thank you. So next is introduction will be presented by Dara.
Okay, thank you to the moderator for giving me to the presentation. Here I will explain STEM in action is very relevant and important educational approach for the future. With this student not only understand the theory but also real world problem, innovation, economic growth to face the global change for the 21st century. What is the topics? Real world application of STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics education. What are the issues? The gap between the theory and practice in STEM education and how the main challenge in applying it effectively in the real world. Introduction. STEM education has become important in recent years as technology has transformed nearly every aspect of our life. STEM education is an interdisciplinary approach that practically apply knowledge and skill dance for areas STEM education aims to develop critical thinking, problem solving, and analytical skill, essential for success in 21st century. One approach to STEM education popularity is STEM in action, real-world application of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. This concept seeks to bridge the gap between theory and practice in STEM education by emphasizing applying the STEM principle in real-world scenario. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you for Dara. So next, we have a literature review in here. So what are theories about? In this article review literature, they explain the foundation of STEM education. It draws for several theoretical frameworks, even they are not directly named. But for example, it reflects constructivist learning theory. For the first one, the concept of significance of STEM education. And the second one is project-based learning that integrates real-world problem solving, and the third one is the role of STEM in addressing a societal challenge in healthcare, energy, environment, and technology. And the last one, trends like digital transforming, before is artificial intelligence or AI, and sustainability, diversity in STEM, and lifelong learning. Okay, next. Okay, next is methodology will be presented by Helpy.
Okay, thank you for moderator for giving me methodology. This study examines the benefits, implementation, and future of STEM in action, real-world application of science, technology, engineering, and math. The methodology for this research will involve systematic literature review. The following sections outline the research methodology in more detail. Number one, research question. Benefits of STEM in education project, implementation in education and the workplace, reward application and their impact on site, feature, direction, and trends of STEM in action. Number two, data collection will involve a systematic review of existing literature on the topic. The search will ask various academic databases including Google Scholar, JASTOR, and Science Direct. Number three, data analysis. Data analysis will involve a systematic review of the literature collected during the search. The literature will be managed using a quality approach to identify common themes and patterns. Number four, uh, validity and reliability. Validity and reliability came from this study. Multiple data sources, including scholar, article, books, and reports, will be used. The search teams will be carefully selected to ensure that relevant literature includes in the review. Uh, Next, the limitation. On limitation of this study is that it is limited to a review of existing literature. It means that the study depends of the quality and relevance of the available literature.
Okay, have result and discussion will be presented by.
Okay, thank you. Real-world application of STEM. What are the results of the article? It contributes to economic growth by driving innovation and supporting new industry. STEM for the critical thinking, innovation, and creativity. Individual to create new solutions to complex problems. The article discuss STEM in action, an educational approach that applies science, technology, engineering, and mathematics to real-world problems in focus on hand-on learning where studying work on projects like building robots or designing sustainable energy system. This methodology helps students develop critical thinking, problem solving, creativity, and teamwork. Understand the real life use of STEM in like healthcare, transportation, and energy. Become more interested of STEM career, prepare for 21st century job market demand. It also supports gender inequality and then help reduce the gap in STEM participation all students. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Dara. Okay, next we have another result and discussion will be presented by Helpy again.
Okay, what are the results of the article? STEM has a major impact on health and energy and the environment through technological innovation in the future. Data science and AI will become increasingly important in education and the workforce, will requiring more STEM professional and technology integration into the curriculum. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Helpy. So the next is conclusion. What is the conclusion of the research? As you can see in the conclusion, we have four main points. For the first is STEM in action is effective in bridging theory and practice, and it motivates students to improve learning outcomes and has practical society. And the next is further research and support for educators are needed to action implementation. And the last one is STEM in action as a foster innovation, entrepreneurship, and community impact. Okay, next we have references. Okay, here are the references used in the article, including the 70 journal in the next audio. Okay, okay. What your group think of the research? So our group think believes that this research is very relevant in today's digital era. For the topic, it's very relevant and timely. So STEM is crucial in today's digital and global society. The topic offer both academic, insight, and practical relevant. For the language is academic and formal but remains accessible. The flow is structured and appropriate for an educational and research focused audience. Okay, now is the last part of the presentation. This is a part of the research checklist. So this article meets all the criteria of a complete research paper, from the abstract to conclusion, including reference. So there are full of checklists. Okay, maybe that's all for our group. We are sorry if there are any mistake in our presentation. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.